Design and Illustration is an upper-level graphic design and art class. Students do projects based on real graphic design briefs, things like logo design, package design, and album cover design and marketing.
I really like Lisa Rader, our teacher. She's great.
Students investigate art materials and digital methods using the Adobe Creative Suite like Photoshop and Illustrator.
Just using Photoshop and Illustrator is a fun thing.
You don't need to know how to use these softwares to begin with. So if you want to develop technical skill in that area, this is a great class for you.
I chose design and illustration because I have always loved art, and I saw a really good opportunity to take this class because I had the option to do open house here, and it seemed perfect for me with the college credits and the experience I would be able to have here.
Our design lab is fully equipped with Mac computers, digital art tablets, and physical art materials for students to use and have open access to. Students also have access to the Adobe Creative Cloud at home with their own logins. We have a large format printer, scanners, and other digital equipment to really help students develop their ideas.
In terms of all the programs at the Career Center, it offers one of the best places to work, a lot of materials in the studio.
It's not uncommon for our students to see their work end up in the community. We've had students design logos. We've had students design t-shirts for the Middlebury Festival on the Green. We've had students develop package designs and logos for a coffee company here in Middlebury.
Graphic design is something you can do freelance. If you want money on the side in this day and age, it's very easy to put an ad online for that kind of work.
Students also develop a body of work for their portfolios. So if you're looking to apply to art school or to go to college or a technical school and you're looking to build a body of work, Design and Illustration is a great class to do that.